Hello children, welcome to ASA Education. अब करेंगे पार्ट 2 एक्सरसाइज नंबर 83 Wren and Martin हाई स्कूल ग्रामर बुक. चैप्टर है ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑफ सेंटेंसेस. यहाँ पर हम शुरू करें 28 नंबर सेंटेंसेस से. He is working hard, therefore he will succeed. As he is working hard, he will succeed. He wishes to succeed. Therefore, he works hard. He works hard so that he may succeed. He was going along this road and met a dragon. While he was going along this road, he met a dragon. They were refused pay, but went on working. Though they were refused pay, they went on working. I frowned upon him, yet he loves me still. Though I frowned upon him, he loves me still. Do you find victories, and we will find rewards? If you find victories, you will find rewards. The archers were poorly armed, but they offered a stubborn resistance. Though the archers were poorly armed, they offered a stubborn resistance. Cross the line and you will be captured. If you cross this line, you will be captured. You must be warmly clad or you will catch cold. Unless you are warmly clad, you will catch cold. Take care of the pence, and the pounds will take care of themselves. If you take care of his pence, the pounds will take care of themselves. He adored his proud wife, but he was in mortal fear of her fierce temper. Though he adored his proud wife, he was in mortal fear of her fierce temper. We are few, but we are of the right sort. Though we are few, we are of the right sort. Be diligent and you will succeed. If you are diligent, you will succeed. It seems too good to be true. Nevertheless, it is a fact. Though it seems too good to be true, it is a fact. Resist the devil and he will flee from you. If you resist the devil, he will flee from you. I will recover it or die in the attempt. If I fail to recover it, I will die in the attempt. Take the farthing from 100 pounds and it will be 100 pounds no longer. If you take a farthing from 100 pounds, it will be 100 pounds no longer. He has lost all his teeth. Consequently, he cannot eat hard food. As he has lost all his teeth, he cannot eat hard food. Give him an inch and he will take an ell. If you give him an inch, he will take an ell. Hear him out and you will understand him the better. If you hear him out, you will understand him the better. Advance another step and you are a dead man. If you advance another step, you are a dead man. Send the deed after me and I will sign it. If you send the deed after me, I will sign it. He was very learned and seemed to know everything. As he was very learned, he seemed to know everything. He was ambitious and therefore I killed him. As he was ambitious, I killed him. We landed at Karachi and there we spent a very enjoyable week. After we landed at Karachi, we spent there a very enjoyable week. We called upon Mr. Pandit and he introduced us to his partner. When he called upon Mr. Pandit, he introduced us to his partner. He was my friend and therefore I loved him. As he was my friend, I loved him. ये थी आपकी एक्सरसाइज. आपको अच्छी लगी, समझ में आई, सब्सक्राइब करिए. आसा एजुकेशन. अगली एक्सरसाइज.